Understanding, pick up the pieces, a guide to resilience and recovery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very common but powerful phrase, pick up the pieces. This expression is rich in meaning and is often used in both personal and professional contexts. Understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you better grasp the nuance of English expressions. So, let's get started and find out what it means to pick up the pieces. The phrase, pick up the pieces, might evoke the image of someone literally picking up broken or scattered pieces off the floor. Imagine dropping a vase, and it shatters. You would have to pick up the pieces of the vase. This visual gives us a clue to the metaphorical meaning, but initially, remember it simply involves collecting or gathering pieces of something that has been broken or scattered. Moving beyond the literal, the phrase, pick up the pieces, is most commonly used in a figurative sense. It describes the process of recovering or rebuilding after a difficult or traumatic event. This could be anything from personal setbacks like a breakup, a financial loss, or even recovering from disasters. It implies resilience and the ability to start over or mend what has been damaged, not physically, but emotionally, financially, or socially. To fully grasp how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. After the company went bankrupt, the employees had to pick up the pieces and find new jobs. She's been picking up the pieces of her life after the divorce. The community came together to pick up the pieces after the hurricane. In these sentences, pick up the pieces illustrates the effort to return to normalcy or stability after some form of upheaval. Understanding related phrases can also deepen your comprehension. Similar expressions include bounce back, to recover from a setback; start from scratch, to begin again from the beginning without any advantages; turn over a new leaf, to start anew, especially with better behavior or attitude. These phrases, like pick up the pieces, emphasize recovery, resilience, and the ability to overcome adversity. Pick up the pieces is a powerful phrase that embodies the human spirit's resilience. It's a reminder that, despite the challenges we face, we have the strength to recover and rebuild. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of this expression. Whether you're learning English or looking to enrich your vocabulary, phrases like these are wonderful tools for expressing complex emotions and situations. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language insights. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.